Hello everyone, welcome to my blog. This is Abdur. My channel name is Unbolted Abdur. Today I'm going to travel from Portugal to Netherlands, like it's Lisbon to Amsterdam. So I'm packing my stuff now. It's already finished. So I'm traveling with my junior brother. Look at him.
Hello everyone.
His name is Jehan. So I'm going with him. Let's go. So guys, we called Bolt and we're going airport from Martimonis because we stayed Martimonis, and now we are going airport terminal 2. We are at the terminal 2 now. So we're going inside. Guys, here is a check-in. We don't have to check because we already checked online. We bought ticket online and we checked in online. We don't have to check the boarding first. So here is my boarding pass. This is boarding pass scanner gate. You have to cross this gate. With the QR code. This is our baggage checking here. Now our baggage and luggage checking is complete. So we are heading to the Vueling ticket checking center. Let's go. So our flight is 17:25. Maybe you have to wait a little bit here. So guys, here is a super shop. You can buy from here, like there's different type of brand perfume you can buy from here. Look at this. You see inside the airport. It is very expensive right here. Now I'll show you guys what you can get inside the airport. Look, you can get here the restaurant like McDonald's. Sushi. Look at this. Coffee shop. Now waiting for opening the gate. Jehan, do you want to order some coffee or something?
I don't think it's now a good time for a coffee. Our gate is already open.
Gate already open? Okay, so guys, we have to go because our gate open already. So we have to get there. Guys, we already finished our ticket checking. Now we are heading towards our aeroplane. So this is our journey partner, Vueling. Look at this. This is our journey partner. On the back side of the plane now. I said it last time. So this aircraft is my first experience. Let's see, maybe it'll be wonderful. Our aircraft will be landed some 3 minutes later. Our aircraft has landed at Schiphol Airport in Amsterdam, so everyone is getting ready to go out from the aircraft. Let's see. We are at Seafool Airport. So I'm walking now to go out. Seafool Airport in Amsterdam. We safely arrived at Seafool Amsterdam Airport. My experience about the aircraft, that it was delayed like 30 minutes. When we bought a ticket, it said that it will arrive like 3 hours, but it has taken like 4 hours to reach the destination. So this is my first journey. And another thing is tiny seat, but it is a local aircraft, so it can happen. But my overall experience about this aircraft is overall good. So my junior brother, what his experience, he will tell you.
Yeah, the experience was a little bit bad because the previous time when I about to go to the Portugal, I also feel the same situation because I actually waited at the airport like 2 hours extra. So it was a bad experience at the Vueling Airlines. I think it will be fixed soon. Hope so.
I hope so. But my overall experience is good. So the aircraft crew was nice, their behavior was nice. And so now I have to go to Rotterdam city, and my junior brother, he will go to Hague city. So maybe we have to leave from here. I have to see up my little brother. So yeah. So I'm waiting for a train. We'll go Rotterdam Central. We'll arrive here like within 9 minutes. My train has come. With this train, I'll go to Rotterdam Central. I'm on the train now. I'm going from Amsterdam Central to Rotterdam Central. And when I was in Portugal, the time I used to wear a hoodie. The weather there like 10 to 12 degrees Celsius. And in Amsterdam, weather is like 1 degree Celsius. To feel like minus 4 degrees Celsius, I have to wear a jacket here. I have arrived my destination, heading towards my apartment. To come here, it was little night, like it's 1 o'clock at night. So I couldn't catch the view from the sky because it was all dark, and my flight, it was a night flight, so that's why I couldn't catch. But I tried my best to show you the guys videos and give you some information about my travel from Portugal to Netherlands. And I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next videos. Till then, stay safe and good luck. Bye bye.